Hey guys, I'm back. My iPad is giving me an issue, evidently. So yeah, but now we have the front piece on. You can just shut that. But remember, the green arrows have to line up, and the Kirby logo has to be facing the normal way, like that. Now, your mini emitter is going to be where the solution tank goes. So, just a minute while I get that. That's how it should look so far. Now, I don't like it when you try to bring this whole thing full of water towards the no. I don't do that. Make sure you have the screens on the bottom like you're supposed to. If you don't, there's an issue. No. What you're gonna wanna do is, because apparently I make everything so difficult. Oh well. You see how this has a little mark right there? You're gonna want to line up this mark with this little mark on the vacuum. Then what you're gonna want to do is push it towards the vacuum until it locks into place. Now, sorry. You're gonna want to get the gray end with this little funny looking piece right here. And you're gonna want to shove it in there. I say shove it in. Then you're gonna want to put the red end over the stud screen, which is also red, so that's how you know. Now, the carpet shampoo for these, you can buy straight from Kirby, but I don't do it that way. So, one second. That should be how it looks when you're done. Not with the cord all dangling down like mine is, but you know what I mean. Now, what's gonna happen is, you can make your own Kirby carpet shampoo. I mean, it's not hard. I'll make another video on how to do that. Because, honestly, in all reality, it's really easy. So that's what you should look like when you're done. See? Now, I'm gonna get my Kirby carpet shampoo. You can make a gallon of it, like I did. Now what I shall do, isn't that cute? Now what I shall do is have a pitcher full of water, because, like I said, I don't like lugging the whole thing over here with the heavy tank. No, I don't do that. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna pour it in. I'm gonna pour it in oh so nicely. Oops, not quite there yet. There we go. Get a little bit on the rug is alright, because all reality, the rug is going to get wet anyway. Now, when you're making the shampoo for this stuff, it's not hard, but you use the same cap as you do. Oops, ooh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Ta-da! I'm doing a large room, because it's going to be my bedroom, and So that's one cap full. And it smells just like the normal Kirby carpet shampoo. One. Yeah, two. Oh, wait, can't do it like that. Hold on. Ah! It went on the floor! Damn, I keep dropping things today. I suck. Two. That's gonna get wet anyway. And the last one being probably special people. Three. You screw. The cap also doubles as a lid, so you can just screw that on. And there you have it. Your Centria is set up as a nice carpet shampooer. Actually works really good. But what you're gonna realize is when you're looking at this, it's not gonna foam up like the original stuff does. And like I said, I just figured I'd make a random video on something that I'll use, and I know